Hi, it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is February 1st, the 1st of February, 2026. I can't believe we're moving through 2026. And since it's the 1st, it's time to share the new subscriptions for the month. I hope you're super excited to see what we have in store for you, and you can't wait to get these arrived at your doorstep. So without further ado, let's head down to the table and let's take a look. All right, let's start with our foil of the month. The foil of the month charges on the 5th of every month, and we ship it that day. You get a whole roll of our foil. They come in these nice clear boxes, which is a nice safe little storage for the foils if you keep them that way. I know Libby, who is with us, she foils a square toner sheet and sticks it to the bottom of the box, and then when she lays them on her shelf, she can see the color of the foil at the end, which I think is a brilliant way to store them if you keep them in the box on your shelf. This month we have a beautiful green foil. This is leafy green. This is a gorgeous green. It's so hard to get foil to film properly. It just always color shifts in the light. It's super shiny, metallic, and pretty. But this is leafy green. So leafy green is a lighter green than our evergreen, which is like a good Christmas green, I would say. So this is more like a spring green. Nice light green color, plenty of shine. You get a whole roll, which is 25 feet by 6¼ inches. So it's a super great value on foil, and you never have to worry about if a little project messed up a piece. You've got plenty of foil to keep foiling. You also get 2 packages of foilables. The first one is foilable panels. These are 4 by 5¼ inch panels, and these are called daisy dots. So we've got the positive and negative. You get 4 of each. Just fun little daisy and polka dots. Super cute. These could be great backgrounds for all kinds of occasions of cards. Set them off to the side. And then you're also going to get Spring Blooms foilable sheets. So our foilable sheets are 8½ by 5½. And we now have transfer folders that have the 6 by 6 as well as a 9 by 6. So you can foil an entire 8½ by 5½ sheet all at once, which is fun. So these are just some really pretty kind of flowery and leafy prints. I give you the positive and negative of each. There's 4 different patterns for a total of 8 when you get the positive and negative of each pattern. Look at this leafy background. This is so pretty with that leafy green foil. Oh my goodness. Here's another one. This one has some little blooms that have yet to open. You get the positive and negative of that one. And then this one here has some blooming flowers. It looks like they're flowing in the wind. Very pretty. That is the Spring Blooms foilable sheets. Next, we'll go over the stamp and die of the month. So our stamp and die of the month charge on the 10th, and they go out on the 10th as well. It's a 4 by 6 stamp set every month with the coordinating dies if you do the stamp and die. If you just do the stamp of the month, you'll get just the stamp. So this month we have Chirp Chirp Hooray. Super cute little birdies there with a birdhouse and a bird bath. This bird bath reminds me of one that my grandmother had out in her front yard. I always see such pretty little birds stopping in at her bird bath. And I've just colored them 2 different ways just to show you the difference. We've got little yellow birds and then little blue birds also. That's Chirp Chirp Hooray. The sentiments say Happy Bird Day. You're the tweetest. Hello, tweet friend. Thanks so much. And chirp, chirp, hooray. So that is the stamp and die of the month. Next up, we have our Crafty Courtyard kit, and that is our card kit subscription. You get a nice box of goodies delivered every month. We charge for this one on the 15th, and we ship it on the 15th. And just because I say we charge on a certain day of the month, if you were to order it on a different day, it's still the next month that your subscription goes through. It's always going to go through on the 5th, the 10th, or the 15th, depending on your subscription. But you can subscribe any day of the month as a new subscriber. So I always give you a little flyer here that tells you exactly what's in your kit, so you always know what you're getting. And then I do some card sketches or maybe some card images on the back, kind of just to jumpstart your creativity when you get your card kit. We'll go through the paper. So this month we're giving you 4 of our A2 card bases. These we sell in packages of 15 cards, but we're going to give you 4 in our kit here so you can try them out if you've never tried them before. Our pre-scored, they're not pre-folded, but our pre-scored card bases are from 110-pound high-quality white cardstock. You can just feel the difference. They make superb card bases because they're so heavyweight. You never feel like you've got like a flimsy card. So you get 4 card bases. We've got a beautiful sheet of blue glitter paper. This is so pretty. This is like our barbershop blue. It's like that pretty, just navy blue. The glitter doesn't flake off or anything. It die cuts beautifully. So we've got the glitter paper. And then we've got 4 colors of our colored cardstock. We've got Lakeside, which is a nice teal. We've got barbershop blue. We've got Pebble, which is a tan. Let me make sure this is Pebble. Yes, it is Pebble. And we've got Moss. For a second, I get confused with Pebble and Brownstone. So I was looking at it going, is it Pebble or is it Brownstone? So I had to check my sheet. But it is Pebble, which is a nice craft color brown, sandy kind of brown color. It's very pretty. You're going to be getting one of our storage pouches, our 9x7 storage pouches. These are great because you can store a ton of stuff in these: stamps, dies, paper packs, whatever you like, stencils. And these are some great storage pouches. So you get a storage pouch. And what comes in the storage pouch, we've got an exclusive sequin mix. These are beautiful, just regular sequins this time, little cupped sequins, but the colors in these match the colors in the paper pad so well. I try to make everything coordinate and match so you don't even have to think when you start creating. That's just the natural crafter card maker in me. You're going to get a barbershop ink pad. This is one of our Pink and Main Premium Dye inks. It's a foam ink pad. And this is barbershop blue. It'll match the cardstock that you're getting. You're going to be getting a sheet of glitter enamel shapes. This is just a printout of the colors. They coordinate with the paper pack really nicely. I don't have some of my items in as I'm doing the video. They've been held up in customs for a little bit and we're waiting on them. So I had to do a printout, but they're going to be beautiful glittery enamel shapes. You're going to get a full paper pack. Our paper packs are 8.5 by 5.5. I think that's great for making cards because you can do slimline cards with these. You can do 5 by 7 cards with these. You can do A2 cards, get 2 cards per panel. It's just, I think, the perfect size for card making. So there are 24 sheets, 12 different patterns, and you get 2 of each pattern. So this is the So Lucky Set 1 pattern papers. So just the secret, when we come out with our regular release, there's a set 2. I loved these patterns so much, I could not just leave it at 12, so we had to do 24. But you're going to get set 1. We've got these great little trendy flowers. We've got a diagonal stripe. We've got a blue polka dot. It's a distressed blue polka dot. So it's got like scratches of blue on it. These are kind of distressed sheets, which I like. It gives them a little different look. We've got another polka dot with like a typed print inside the polka dots, which is really neat. Also kind of distressed looking. Love it. Here we've got like a mustard yellow with arrows. Again, it's a little distressed in the background color. Really nice. I love plaids. Look at that plaid. So pretty. We've got some green on green little hearts. Look at this floral on the blue background. Got some other little fun flowers here on white. Here we have some little green flowers, or just a little white outline of flowers on green. So it's like green on green. We have a little rainbow pattern on the blue background. And then we have some hearts on this kind of coral sheet here. Again, very distressed looking. Maybe not very distressed, just a little bit distressed. So that's our So Lucky Set 1 paper pack. Next up we have our stamp set. I'll show you that one in a second. Our stamp set is Oops-a-Daisy. So we have this really pretty heart with the daisies. I give you all the stamps for the flowers that you can stamp and fill in the color, so you don't have to worry about coloring it. I colored it with marker, which I'll show you in a second. But you can also just stamp the color that you want in the daisies. It says, "Hello friend. Oops-a-daisies. Sorry I forgot your special day. Sorry you had a bad day. Sorry I forgot your birthday. And hope you feel better soon." Great little set there with lots of little sentiments. That's what the stamp set looks like. And here's one that I colored with markers instead of stamping. And then on top of it, I added our touch of gloss. So you can see how glossy it looks. And if you could put your hands over it like I could, rub your finger over it, you would feel the raised shininess of that touch of gloss. It's like raised a little bit. And then in the flower centers, I put some of our ice rink glitter, so they're a little sparkly. But I love that. It's a nice little heart with daisies. You're also going to get the coordinating dies. So we've got a big heart die that will cut that out. And you can use that heart for anything, really. You don't have to cut out the stamp set. It's just a nice big heart. And then I'm giving you all the dies for the sentiments as well. So that's great. And last but certainly not least, the kit just keeps going and going and going. We have a new 6x6 embossing folder. Our embossing folder gives great, nice, deep impressions, which give you a really great dimensional look to your cards and other projects. This is Daisy Dot's embossing folder. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the Pink and Main subscription products for February 2026. We've got some super great products headed your way if you're one of our subscribers. And if you're not, what are you waiting for? It's a perfect month to subscribe. We have great value in our subscriptions, and they're super good, fun goodies to craft with. So head on over to pinkandmain.com to find out more and subscribe if you like. And until next time, keep living the creative life.